The following contest is a triple threat tag team match and is for the Smackdown Tag Team Championship. Introducing the challenger at a combined weight of 380 pounds, Butch and Tyler Bates, British Strong Style.
This is a big-time opportunity, Byron, as the title will be on the line here.
You're right, Michael, and judging from the response on social media heading into this match, we're likely to see a new champ crowned here tonight.
They're here.
And at a combined weight of 700 pounds, they are the Smackdown Tag Team Champions, Erick Rowan and Braun Strowman, the Deleters of Worlds.
The SmackDown Tag Team division have chips on their collective shoulders, competing tonight to prove that they are the most entertaining group of tag teams in WWE.
I expect every competitor in this SmackDown tag title match to bring their A game to this match and show the guys on Monday and Wednesday how it's done.
And at a combined weight of 426 pounds, Austin Theory and Grayson Waller.
Here we go, gentlemen. Huge title match coming up.
And a huge opportunity for the champ to prove to everyone that there truly is none better in all of WWE right now.
Multiple teams facing off in this tornado tag match.
In a tornado tag situation, you never know how many opponents will be targeting you. The only one on your side is your tag team partner. Ouch. Oh, my!
Here it comes. Primal concrete slap to the heart. Quickly out of the cover with the title on the line. Look at this. Bate cuts him off.
Some say the only limit to no DQ is your own imagination. Right, so Saxton wouldn't stand a chance. For everyone else, though, the sky is the limit. Anything you wish you could do to get a win, you can probably arrange it here. So my advice is to hold nothing back.
Falcon arrow. Planning on what to do next. Vicious right forearm.
Look at this.
Off from the rope. Elbow drop.
Piercing.
Our official just took a big hit.
Oh, come on. Let's keep it clean there.
And down. The challenger's looking shaken.
Oh, no. What is this?
Reverse choke slam.
Uh-oh, this is just vicious.
No, let him break his arm. Vicious.
And here come the punches.
No telling what's underneath the ring tonight.
Drop suplex.
Great power, masterfully executed Regal Flex.
Gut-wrench powerbomb.
That was one of those power bombs that would shorten someone's career.
Like clockwork, that Eagle theory on full display here. And that was an efficient display of offense with that maneuver. Hits him with the counter. Body drop. Oh, look at the well-placed elbow right on the mark. Oh, look at that scoop slide.
Ripcord
Drops the hammer.
right on the lower back.
Precision strikes. He catches Braun looking. And there was some force on that move.
This won't win the match, but
No, he escapes the clutch. No, wait. He is. He did it.
And he gets set back into the ring.
go behind.
Did you hear the impact?
He manages to escape it.
An impactful display of offense we just witnessed there.
Looking wobbly in the corner.
What are we going to see here? Stop.
Boom. What impact.
Suplex. Devastating.
Wow, what a strike to the back.
Strowman trying to put his opponent away.
I mean, this is what we call the beginning of the end.
And the champion finally ready to put this one.
On the elevated triangle. And that is a great way to get out of it.
Strowman looking to put this thing away.
Braun takes him down.
The champ has this one in hand now. Tyler Bate looking to lock it in. Billy Goat's curse. He got locked in.
He may not have a choice. Oh, this should have been over. But he breaks the hold. Shoulders down. Championship on the line.
Pin's broken up.
I can't believe it. Gets tossed.
Tyler Bate with a standing shooting star. Answering back.
Caught that one with his face and Braun.
The champ's shoulders are down. And the pin is broken by the champion.
Still not enough to put him away.
STO.
Big thing.
Ooh, merciless looking. Come on. Goes under the ropes and he breaks the hold. Or pump handle. Pump handle coming. Pump handle suplex. The champion into the cover. And he stops the count for his partner.
Jarring uppercut.
DDT.
With the championship on the line. And he stops the count.
Lucky him. Both superstars showing great awareness of their opponent's repertoire.
Pin attempt for the championship. Coming to the rescue. Boom kick.
Oh, look at the knees. Just unloading knees to the body.
This is power. This is flat out power. All the way to the floor. Are you kidding me?
Escape just in time.
First up top.
Absolutely.
Here's the pin. Time on the line. The pin's broken up.
The monster's foaming at the mouth.
And focusing on the crowd now, it shows us just what... Right to the throat. Good thinking from Theory. Right to the kidneys from behind. Have you ever seen such disdain from this superstar for the other?
This is so chaotic.
They've taken it
So
to a
dangerous.
new level here tonight. Moving into the cover of the title.
New champion. New champion. Kick to the gut.
Double underhook.
Tiger bomb. Unbelievable. What ingenuity from the challenger.
And he gets to Can't believe it. For the win. 2. Boom. What an attack for the championship.
And referee cuts off the count in 1.
How is the challenger still in this match? It's there's not a single person sitting in this arena.
It's pandemonium, Cole.
Got him set up in the corner of the ring.
Oh, here's the pin to retain. And finally, he picks up the victory.
I have a feeling the 6-man tag team match is going to be talked about for months to come, guys.
Here are your winners, and still the Smackdown Tag Team Champions, Erick Redhead and Braun Strowman, the leaders of Worlds.
This pairing paid strong dividends with an impressive tag team win.
This win tonight may have been a career-defining moment. They're definitely celebrating like it was.